If you don't like wasting time on the wrong cough syrup but still want quick relief, then listen up. This one's for you. Not all coughs are the same. If you've got a dry cough, you'll want a cough syrup with a suppressant. These help calm that constant tickle. But if your cough is wet and you're bringing up phlegm, you need an expectorant like Ambroxol. Ambroxol works by thinning out mucus, making it easier to clear your chest and breathe easy. Remember, picking the right remedy can speed up your recovery and help you feel better faster. Always read the label, and if you're not sure which syrup is right for you, check with your doctor or pharmacist. Like, save, and share this reel to help someone else kick that cough.